Okay, now all the things that you can do with this system, with the Ford system, if you have an iPhone and your charging lead, you click the charging, or you put the charging lead in there. It helps if you put it in the right way round, then plug it in. The first time you do this, you'll have to agree to let it sync and the Apple CarPlay work. Apple CarPlay, if you go into general settings, let's just have a look. Mobile notifications, general, CarPlay's there. So if it hadn't already come on, you just have to allow it to going into there. But now this just mirrors your iPhone, all your most important things, your phone, messages, audio books, Amazon Music, Zoom, WhatsApp, and you can send text. You can use Siri to, hey Siri, send a text to Barry Crampton.
Which phone number for Barry Crampton? 150 or iPhone?
iPhone.
What do you want to say?
Testing a car for the Apple CarPlay.
Your message to Barry Crampton says test in the car for the Apple CarPlay. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Now you see there, we've got a message received. I just click on there, see Barry Crampton, click on that.
Barry Crampton said test in the car for the Apple CarPlay. Would you like to reply?
Yes, please.
What do you want to say?
Get some work done.
Your reply to Barry Crampton says get some work done. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent. Barry Crampton said get some work done. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Okay.
That's it.